Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope the holidays are going great for you, and today I wanted to share our trip to Mount Eden Summit with you guys. Mount Eden consists of two overlapping cones, which erupted in close succession about 28,000 years ago. It reaches an elevation of about 643 feet, or 196 meters above sea level, making it the tallest dormant volcano in Auckland. From the summit you can enjoy spectacular views of the city and its harbors, a large, well-preserved crater some 50 meters deep, which is contained within the summit cone. Let's climb to the summit, share some stunning views, and join us for a quick picnic on the top. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Resident of a mansion with halls I'd never mention and rooms that I don't think I've ever seen. Skeletons in the closet with shirts I haven't worn yet and clothes I've worn since I was 17. Close the door and bolt it shut, 'cause you're the only one I trust. What can I do to help you feel the same for me? Baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and let it melt. Shout it in all your secrets, with walls to hide your weakness, a resolute but hopeless mystery. But I can see through the surface, you're alone to hide your loneliness. And I know, 'cause you're an awful lot like me. So baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and let it melt. So long after the days we are pushing them daisies, I will be yours. The thorns on the roses, I may never know if I've seen them all, but I'll give you all of me, unreservedly, yeah. Baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and give you all I am, 'cause only you could understand what I have felt. I put my cold heart in your hands and let it melt.